So there were, as you know, that 2-3 packages the contractors had backed out and had surrendered the work in the Shillong-Dawki road. So recently the Government of India, the NHIDCL, has now tendered out and reallotted the work to new contractors. I don't have the names of the contractors, the list with me right now, but we had a review meeting along with the new contractors just about 10-15 days back, and the idea was to just see their preparation and to give them a heads up that this is the working season and hence they should do all that they can to push as much work as possible in this next 6 months time. So we got a very good and positive response from them. So we expect that the machineries and the other manpower will be mobilized very soon, and shortly we should see the work in all these roads commence at full swing. There are multiple reasons. There is no one specific reason for the different packages. In some locations we had some issues with forest clearance. In some areas we had issues with utility shifting. In some areas we had problems with land acquisition. We had problems with also certain localities where there was certain opposition by certain communities and groups, and in some areas we had problem with land. So there were multiple problems, but in general, of course, the biggest challenge that Meghalaya faces, which is different from other states, is the fact that the land belongs to the community, and hence it is a very big task and challenge for us to be able to overcome that. And the communities and the individual owners are also in hundreds of numbers, not just one. So hence the exercise is very complicated, and we do face a lot of challenges because of that. But we're happy that of course we are working hard, officials are working hard, and we have overcome most of the challenges. So I do hope that this particular project of Dawki Shillong Road should be on track soon.